Today's concept is target, understand target, run levels, and switching. That means run levels and system states and how to switch
Yeah.
between them. Correct. So what is this first of all? So what is this levels? What is the meaning of this run level? What is this like target or system CTL? See, why this? Because earlier we were using nowadays the modern Ubuntu uses system D,
Okay.
but they are implemented as targets. That's why we
Mhm.
have to use system D for the targets actually.
Okay.
So what exactly it is old system V. That means earlier run levels means earlier it was using and there were numbers. As I told you, init sudo init 6. Sorry, sudo init 0 means power off.
Yeah.
6 means reboot.
Reboot.
1 means on a single user mode.
Mhm.
3 means multi-user mode but no GUI. 5 means multi-user mode along with a GUI.
Okay.
Okay, but Ubuntu will not be using this directly anymore, and so the reason this system D will keep its compatibility on the same. Got it? Linux was using this sysv. That means system D. Sorry, sysv. Init sysv init.
Okay.
But Ubuntu will not use this anymore.
Okay.
So that's why this Ubuntu would use run level.
Mhm.
That means the system D targets.
Mhm.
And so what is this? So what exactly it is means, you know very well, 0 means power off, right? But in system D, in run level, it was 0. But in system D, power off dot target. Okay. And
Okay.
single user or rescue mode, it should be 1, right?
Mhm.
Sudo init 1. That means single user or rescue. So in system D, what you'll use? Rescue dot target. Everywhere you have to use dot target. That's why it's called a system D target.
Okay.
And if you want multi-user, then multi-user dot target. If you want GUI, graphical dot target. If you want to reboot, reboot dot target. What is the meaning of this target? Means they are the unit files. That's what na system D unit files. So
Okay.
that means they are bunch of files, and instead of you saying in terms of run level like 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, what you would be using is power of the target, rescue the target, multi-user the target, graphical the target, and reboot the target. Understood?
Okay.
Now, can you put one command,
Mhm.
which is nothing but what is this? Systemctl get default.
Get hyphen default or
Wait, your screen. Systemctl get hyphen default.
graphical dot target.
What it is giving you?
Graphical dot target.
Now, what is the meaning of this graphical dot target? What
If
mode
it's
you are into
running
right
in,
now?
I
What
mean
mode you are into
SSH
right now?
only I
One
have taken
second.
common. Yeah.
So, what is the meaning of what is the graphical target means? Your Ubuntu VM boots in GUI mode.
Okay.
Means right now we are into this GUI mode. If you want to know the current system state, then you have to go with systemctl get default.
Okay.
Now, what target you are into? See, right now what have you checked is what is the system target, but which target is currently active. For that, the command would be please type systemctl
Okay.
list hyphen units. You can enter tab, okay? Units space hyphen hyphen Type equal to target. Type equal to target. No, no space between type and target. I mean, type equal to target. Yeah. So what are active? What is loaded? Can you read like what exactly in the last load it's showing? Load means
All are
unit.
loaded only. All are active
Active
only.
means it is activation state.
Yeah. Basic target Bluetooth cloud hyphen config
This
cloud
is
hyphen init script setup getty hyphen pre getty graphical local multi-user network online network free network NFS client NSS lookup paths remote RPC slices snapd mounts socket sound swap distinct time set timers verify setup.
okay. Okay. So now, mm-hmm. Yeah. See, now you have understood what is this multiple, I mean, multi-user target or graphical. You are having only that
Hmm.
one. Now, how do you want to switch it? Okay.
Okay.
So now how to switch that? So what you have to do, the command would be for temporary, because see, this terminal
Is it
is something, but
recording right?
only for that. Hold on. Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
It's being recorded. So what exactly it happens is now you want to switch because you want GUI mode, right? You want
Mm-hmm.
GUI mode or what you want exactly. So what shall we do is first of all, right now it has to show you in the GUI mode actually because you are in graphical mode, right?
Graphical, yeah.
Uh, yeah, but it is still showing you in a CLI mode, correct?
Mm-hmm.
But right now it's showing you for graphical.target. Am I right? Do one thing.
Yes,
Can you type? Please type sudo systemctl isolate
isolate means. Oh,
isolate.
dirty.
Yeah,
Okay.
isolate graphical.target. Enter.
Yep.
I mean, is any GUI mode is started or what?
No, nothing started.
Actually, it has to start. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah.
From SSH, the GUI will come. Only command lines only come, right?
Oh, right now you are into GUI mode, but not in the
SSH.
CLI. Sorry, that's what SSH. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm in SSH, not in the VM side. VM
Okay,
console.
okay, okay, okay. I was
VM
thinking in
console
terms
means
of,
directly it will come as the GUI only
yeah. I
in
mean,
VMware
see,
console.
first you have to launch a Ubuntu machine, okay? In that
Mm-hmm.
way, you have to go to CLI and perform all this. Can you do
Oh,
that? Instead of SSH
mm,
connection, I want you
okay.
to log in into that machine, power on, log on, then open CLI and perform all this.
Okay. Oh, I need to run the command.
I mean, right now, are you into SSH or what?
Yeah, not in SSH. I'm in console.
Can you stop sharing and reshare your screen? Because I can still see the
Oh,
command line itself.
okay, okay. One minute. Now,
Okay, it stopped. So please enter your password and log on. I can see you're on VM right now.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on. Now, the commands would be whatever I have told you. Hold on, I'll be there repeating it one more time. Get, what is that command? The first command we had was
System
sudo,
serial.
yeah, systemctl get iPhone default.
Yeah.
It
The
should be
graphical.
graphical default. Then you have to be in the in terms of graphical GUI. Mm, 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 mm. I guess you don't have the desktop environment being installed. Hold on, let me check this first of all. Mm, 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 mm. Can you do ls slash user? I mean slash user slash bin ls slash user slash bin slash star session slash star session. I want to see if you have desktop installed or not. That's why. Yeah. Okay, it isn't showing you so that you didn't install. You don't have the desktop. That's why you're not able to switch between GUI mode and CLI mode. Understood?
Mm.
Mm, okay, in that case, okay. Can you do like sudo apt update and install Ubuntu desktop -y?
Which one? Sudo apt.
Sudo apt update.
Okay.
Next line. S- Enter. Next, you have to install like sudo apt install. Okay, because you don't have the desktop installed.
Mm-hmm.
It should show you like something with respect to Ubuntu desktop. I don't know like which server, because see, basically whenever we create a virtual machine on this, we usually get a complete desktop mode where I can see the apps and desktop icon and everything. But why it's not
Mm-hmm.
possible for you?
I'm using the 22 OS only.
No,
Live
actually
server.
you have to get that. Yeah, live server or what, but
Live server
you have to
AMD.
get the desktop. That's why you
Yeah,
are
update is
unable to switch
completed.
between. Okay. So now sudo apt install
Mm-hmm.
ubuntu hyphen sudo apt install ubuntu hyphen desktop hyphen y desktop hyphen y space hyphen y. Hmm. Because see, you have to have the desktop and shell mode, only then you can just switch between that, because we
Mm-hmm.
already know in terms of Linux, right? When you do sudo init 6, your system will go for reboot. Already we
Yeah.
have done this using our AWS server, so we know that already by using the keywords like 0 1 3 5 6. So that's not an issue. But when it comes to this system D, at least we should be able to switch. It's all about like how, instead of you going and doing it in manually, or performing a number of steps, it will be something like using the keyword. That's the task of actually the Linux administrator, correct? Because he has to be
Yeah.
aware of the shortcuts and what are the I mean, which in which folder exactly the sessions or the desktop would be present, or what exactly, because he is the person who will be troubleshooting everything,
Mm-hmm.
so he must be aware of. Mm-hmm. And once you are done with this,
Mm-hmm.
you can go and check. I mean, again, systemctl get default. Once it is done, later we'll use the command to set the default one. See, if you had the proper ISO, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
I know, but you should be able to get the GUI mode completely.
Okay.
Because usually with Ubuntu, we usually do that Ubuntu desktop.
Last time I run the RxCL, that one by
Mhm.
default has the GUI only theme.
Okay,
But I don't know
but
Ubuntu.
this isn't.
Maybe we need to
Yeah,
enable the option, right? I think while installing.
yeah. You didn't
Maybe I
do that.
forgot. Maybe I forgot that one.
Yeah, you have to get that. That will make
Mm,
you, that will be very easier, and we can do, because when it comes to the system D and everything,
mm-hmm.
that's how it would be. Because we should have those modes. That's how we can switch between the modes, right? If at all, if you don't have the desktop option enabled, then if you're trying to switch to desktop mode, then how will that be possible?
Okay, I will make a note.
Yeah, yeah. We'll try this once it is ready. I guess it's taking a lot of time. Correct? I guess it's downloading each and every package as we are installing the complete desktop. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let it get downloaded. I'll be on mute.
Okay. I think it's done, but some errors are there.
Oh. Mm-hmm. No space.
It is
No
20
space
GB
left in the
actually.
device. Sorry?
It is 20 GB only I have given.
But when you want to have this desktop kind of, right, how exactly it will take.
Mhm.
So while launching, you haven't, enabled that option.
No.
Mm-hmm. That's the problem. Oh.
Okay, just we need to get that command line only, right?
Yeah,
Quick
I want
change.
GUI mode. Yeah, I
Okay.
mean, it is just, let me tell you, this system D or target is something, but what you'll do, you'll, execute few commands. The commands would be in such a way that, like check the status, okay, and go to desktop mode, and from the desktop mode, switch back to CLI mode.
Okay.
I can give you the complete step as well. It would have been great if you would have those steps.
Yeah, I will prepare those steps
No, actually,
for
even I
this
too have
one.
notes. I want time
Hmm.
until Thursday or Friday. We'll do one thing. I'll just hit you up in WhatsApp.
Sure.
Can you just record using the? Can you just record once you are done? That's the reason I have given this as part of assignment. Like, what do we
Mhm.
do? Like in order to know the steps or execute. I thought because last time you had you I remember you were saying you got the GUI as well, correct? I still remember.
Not GUI means for RHEL, it is GUI is there.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
what.
yeah, but this one I didn't check
No,
that
actually,
one,
I need
the
that.
GUI mode.
So when you will
Mm-hmm.
do one thing. You do
Mm-hmm.
one thing for all the assignments.
Mm-hmm.
I'll upload file from my end. Like I need until
Okay.
Thursday because I don't have those files with me. It's in another laptop actually.
Okay.
So already we know everything except that
Mm-hmm.
how do we execute using shell or something, and the assignments whatever I have posted in the WhatsApp. So
Yeah,
I don't need that. And along with that, this particular one I need you to do it, complete it.
sure.
If it is possible, record a session and send it to me so that we
Definitely.
can upload it in the drive actually. Can you try if today itself?
Yeah, I will try that one.
Yeah, so that we can connect in Gmeet if possible, or again the Zoom meeting itself, so that we
Yep.
can wind up because it's
Sure.
already been like we are just extending, right? So let's finish it.
Yeah,
Finish it up.
I think today it will complete because I didn't estimate. I mean, the desktop one, just the
It's okay.
commands, right?
Then do
I'm
one thing.
think that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, you are getting your laptop now. So just
Yeah.
let me know once you are done because let's complete everything so that even I'll be, we'll just upload the file because it will be very helpful for, what do I say, for practical session in real time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
Got
in
it.
the last time we have performed using the C programming language. Not everyone
Yeah.
is aware of C,
Correct.
but we there I have shown you like how we can combine other programming languages in shell scripting. So that's what we were able to do in real time. Even that would be possible because we have to be make sure that we can like put a different programming language or put different code into this code. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that's how it will be. So I would like ask you or request you to finish this by today so that we'll finish it off and
Sure.
wind it up completely.
Definitely. I
And
will
on
prepare a
Thursday,
new mission also with the desktop
yeah,
mode.
just prepare new machine.
New
Keep
mission itself
every
I will
steps,
prepare.
each and every steps. Like even though if I don't connect with you by seeing that particular desktop, I mean that particular word, MS Word document,
Hmm.
I should be able to understand like what are the steps you have performed. So
Sure.
that means even layman should be able to understand because that's how the note should be correct. The
Yeah.
SOPs or notes should be. So that is the reason. So please do that. And once you are done and once you are confident enough, so we'll just record a session. We'll connect and we'll record a session and we'll just upload it.
Sure. Definitely.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. If anything, just hit me up in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
also, please try to complete the other assignment as well. The C programming or zombie orphan process.
Yeah.
Use this AI tools. You usually get
Sure.
those.
Sure.
Like instead of C, I want to completely, put it in shell scripting. How will I be able to do? So I would expect by end of today or by tomorrow morning. I don't know when are you getting your laptop.
Okay,
Yeah. So please do complete and let me know.
sure,
If
Varsha.
possible, you can record the session from your end, or we can connect in Gmeet, or I'll only give the link and we'll try to connect, or we'll have one more the final round of session. D- Once
Sure.
you are confident and done with